International, today organized public meeting, Madrasa founder and director, President present here, my respectable guardians and my classmates. To all of you, I will recite the Fatiha to you in English, inshallah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan the evil. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. All praise belongs to Allah, Lord of all the worlds. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim, the gracious, the merciful. Malik Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. The alone do we worship, and the alone do we implore for help. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim, guide us in the right path. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim, ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. The path of thoughts on wrong thought has bestowed the blessing. Those who have not, incorrect the displeasure, and those who have not gone astray. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.